He's checking the sensor. Okay, okay. Bố mắt. Okay. All right. So this is the siphon system that he made. Both of them made the siphon because they learn how to make the siphon, and now just a small boy, little boy, they can swim and they can make the siphon system. So let's see how their siphon work, and how is the suction. Okay, so great. It is sucked very strong. Oh my god. Okay, so they can do it with the air pressures and fill the water into the CVT pipe. Okay, let's see at the output pipe. How is the output pipe? How strong is that? Oh my god. It is so amazing that the both of them can do this siphon system. So everyone can just follow him just making the old CVT pipe and wrapping with the plastic only. But it works very well. Just make sure that the output is lower than the water source. It is easy to do. Everyone can do. Okay. Alright. So I will review what they are doing here. So just see, this is nothing. It's just the stick to make it stay still. And this one the same. It's just the stick. And every connecting they use the rubber and plastic to wrap it to make sure the water is not leaking. And here's the air pressure that they install the water at the first time, and the same all of the connecting pipes they wrap with the rubber and plastic. This one as well. Okay, so he's very happy to make it work. So they are jumping into the water. Check. Check lực lại. This work. Yes, great. It's work now. Are you happy?